Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to host a website with Godaddy. First, you will need to choose a hosting plan that fits your website's needs. Godaddy offers various options, including shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and virtual private server plans. For instance, shared hosting plans can start around $5 per month, providing a cost-effective solution for many. Once you have your hosting, you can either register a brand new domain name or easily connect one you already own to your Godaddy account. This initial step sets the foundation for your online presence. After selecting your hosting and domain, the next crucial step is connecting them. You will update your domain's name servers within your Godaddy account to point to your new hosting. This process typically takes a few hours, but can sometimes extend up to 48 hours for full propagation across the internet. Once connected, you will access your hosting control panel, often cPanel, which is your central hub for managing your website. From there, you can easily upload all your website files using the built-in file manager or a dedicated FTP client. With your domain linked and files uploaded, it's time to manage your website's content and features. Godaddy's hosting environment provides user-friendly tools, such as one-click installers for popular applications like WordPress. This means you can get your blog or e-commerce store up and running in just a few moments. You can also set up professional email addresses that match your domain name, enhancing your brand's credibility. The control panel allows you to manage databases, monitor performance, and configure other advanced settings to keep your site running smoothly. Finally, before your website goes live to the world, it is essential to perform thorough testing. Check its appearance and functionality across different web browsers and devices to ensure a seamless user experience. Godaddy also provides automated daily backups for your website files and databases, offering peace of mind against unexpected issues. Should you encounter any challenges or have questions, Godaddy's customer support team is readily available to provide technical assistance. With these steps, your website will be ready for a successful launch and ongoing operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.